Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to track your online courses and learning in Airtable, your 2025 full guide. First up, you need to create a new base. Simply click on the plus icon on your Airtable dashboard. This is your foundation. It's where you'll store all your course information. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. Next up, let's create a new table within our base. Click on the Add a Table button and name it something like Courses. This helps us because we can now organize and categorize our courses within this table. Now in our newly created table, we need to create various fields. Click on the plus icon next to the name field and add fields like course name, platform, progress, due date, and so on. The reason we do this is to have a detailed tracking mechanism for each of our courses. Let me explain why this matters. By having fields like progress and due date, you can keep track of where you are in the course and when you need to complete it by. This way, you won't miss any important deadlines. Finally, it's time to populate our fields with the relevant information. Click on each field and add your course details. This could be the name of the course, the platform it's hosted on, your progress, and the due date. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is organizing all your course information in one place, making it easier for you to manage your online learning. And that's a wrap. You now know how to track your online courses and learning in Airtable. By following these steps, you can keep your online learning organized and never miss a beat. Thanks for tuning in.